So I hear you're going on a trip to Mars.
Yeah.
I feel you should know some information. It's called the Red Planet, and Galileo discovered it back in 1610. 1 year in Mars is around 685 Earth days, which is a lot more compared to Earth. It is the second smallest planet, and Mercury is the tiniest, of course. And it'll take you about 300 days to get to Mars, so almost an Earth year. It is about 5.46 times 10 to the 7 kilometers away, or in other words, 33.9 million miles for you Americans. Has a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius and a low of negative 153 degrees Celsius, which I believe is freezing, because the sun is 141.1 million miles away. The atmosphere is 100 times thinner than the atmosphere here on Earth. So air, if I'm correct, should be thinner.
Come on. Oh, yes.
Oh, I'm
playing Fortnite. Leave me alone. Wait till after this game.
I'm in over that.
Hey, dude, I just told you. You gotta listen to me. If I'm dead, I'm not dead. Good.
Anyways, I met up with that one research guy.
No. You know I died because of you? I was gonna win that game. I was telling you, there was 3 people left, and then you had to interrupt me, and now, okay, whatever. I'm over it. What are you gonna say?
Jumping. Anyways, I met up with that one travel guy that traveled to space to help us on our mission to Mars.
Yeah.
Did you give me some facts, like preparation stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, pretty good.
So like, what did you say about this stuff? Since it's so important.
Yeah, actually, it wasn't really that important. It was kind of important, not really.
So you just interrupted my game on Fortnite for some not important stuff. Sounds good. I'm happy about that. Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
I could have won that game. You know, I had like
anyways, you little game freak.
Whatever.
Talk about the supplies that we can bring. I think, we can't have to. We gotta bring a lot of water. Since there's none on Mars, if we don't need water,
so
will be.
Water doesn't exist on Mars.
Yeah.
That's what you're telling me.
Basically, yeah.
And we can't forget the spacesuits, because that's very important. No spacesuit with the atmosphere that's mainly made out of carbon dioxide, and there's like no breathable air for humans. You know, it's pretty dangerous, and it's like very thin and stuff. And you gotta have a lot of extra oxygen tanks, because if we run out, probably not gonna make it. I mean, just saying.
We also need food. You know, there's no food up there. No one lives there.
Are you sure there's no food on an uninhabited planet with nothing?
Pretty
No
sure.
food on Mars?
Pretty sure, yeah.
I mean, I guess. And can't forget the repair supplies for the spaceship and spacesuits just in case something goes wrong. You know, the medical supplies just in case we get injured, which that would kind of suck. We are on Mars. And then when we're flying up there, we got to make sure to not run into one of Mars's 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. I think it's how you say it.
Yeah, I think so.
Because if we hit one of those 2 moons, the only 2 moons Mars has.
You're flying it, so you better not mess up.
Yeah, well, you better help me pay attention, because you know how I get. I do something. Yeah. I mean, and Mars is pretty hard to miss. I mean, it's 6.3 times 10 to the 23rd kilograms in mass. That's a lot. So it's pretty close to the size of Earth, too. I mean, it's not super big, but it's pretty big for us to miss. So we should definitely get there.
We get the easel.
We got all of our space gear. We got timeless, all the suit, and our food in here. And then what's in that bag? I forgot what's in that bag.
That clothing for the temperature, it's like, so we'll be ready for them. 70 degrees Fahrenheit, like the highest.
So like that's like a cool day.
The lowest is
day
like
here.
negative 195.
Yeah,
And it's freezing.
that's way colder than Earth. But the wind there gets really crazy. Like with all the dust there, it gets like, you know, and then it like blows around all the dust, and all the iron in the dust is not good for you at all. So we have to be careful of that. That's why we're bringing this special space helmet here to make sure we don't get any of that dust anywhere near like our respiratory system, and you know all that. We want to stay safe from all that.
The Earth days, they're about the same. Earth days and Mars days, like an hour and 37 minutes. Or a
It's
day
like-
and 37 minutes.
So it's like 37 minutes longer. So
Yeah.
we won't have to really worry about adjusting to that time difference at all. We should be good there as far as that goes. And I hope when we're flying in that we see Olympus Mons, which is the biggest mountain in the solar system, and it stands at 71,000 feet, which is more than double height of Everest, and Everest is huge. I mean, you know how
Yeah.
big it is. You've heard all the stories about it and seen all this stuff online, National Geographic, whatever, all those stupid stuff.
That's what I want to see the freaking canyon, Valles and Marinix. I think
I've never heard of that. What?
it's
Like, what's
humongous.
more about it?
It's the biggest canyon in Seoul. It's huge.
So you're telling me whatever that thing is bigger than the Grand Canyon? So
Everything-
let's hear the
Grand
measurements.
Canyon is chunky.
Let's hear the measurements.
I mean, it's 3,000 kilometers long. 3,000.
Mm.
It's like the size of the United States almost. And then 600 kilometers across, 8 kilometers deep.
All right, that's pretty big. I gotta admit that. That's pretty big. So let's get all this packed up and get on our way to Mars. Space gear. Hey, careful, careful. Gosh, what do you think you're doing?